Hey guys, hope you have already watched our Hampi Day 1 video. This video is about all the places we have visited on our second day.
Our auto driver named himself Crazy Boy, and he was our guide too.
What you can see in the back is the sister stones of Hampi. There were two large stones, and 3 years back this one broke in half. That part fell from the top. Good that nobody was injured, but it is crazy. And this happened because of weathering. This is not done artificially. Nature has done that.
टिकट लेना पड़ता नेक्स्ट टेम्पल को वो टिकट चलता
एक ही टिकट से पूरा दिन देख सकते हैं ना? ठीक है।
आपको इधर भी
तुम लोग हंस भी सकते हो।
On day 2, we have visited few of the most important temple ruins of Hampi. These beautiful historic ruins from the Vijayanagar dynasty stand today as the evidence of high-class workmanship.
We are on the south side of the river in Hampi, and there are archaeological ruins everywhere, scattered here and there, everywhere, and it's beautiful. The weather is great. It's supporting us so well. It rained an entire night yesterday, but right now it's cloudy and pleasant and windy, and it's not at all hot. That's it.
On the way, we played the balance rock game. This was made by Anand. This was Shahid's. Well, this was mine.
Yo man, that's pro.
Ha ha ha, very funny.
Archaeological remains from the Vijayanagar dynasty, which was built at around 1422 AD. This place is protected site. You are not supposed to take vehicles inside. There are battery cars for tourists. Otherwise, you can also walk. So we are walking.
पुष्करानी है। पुष्करानी लिखा है जी। उधर एक बार कैमरा घुमा के देखिए। तो इसमें नहा के पहले उधर जाना पड़ेगा, ऐसा मेरा ख्याल है। अब उस राजा का टाइम पे क्या सोच के बनाया पता नहीं। बाकी अपना देख लो।
How much did you pay for the ticket?
One ticket costs 40.
One ticket, 40 rupees.
Vittala temple is amazing.
Inside the temple complex, there were multiple chambers or mandapa. These chambers are mainly famous for their cluster pillar design. To find more details about visiting Hampi, please visit our travel blog lifeofhoi.com or click the link in the description below.
The main temple has musical pillars.
Which means by tapping on them, one can hear the 7 notes of sargam. Well, this was closed for visitors when we went.
आँख में दिखा रहा था बोला आँख क्यों दिखा रहा है? बोला क्या दिखा?
This is the Queen's Bath.
There are so many sites in Hampi.
So, the more time you have, the better.
Hope you enjoyed our vlog.
And please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.